Hello students, myself Utsav Mehta. Today I am here to teach you the more questions based on quadrilateral. So let's have a look what the first question says us. The two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram. We have to find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram. See here what they are told, that the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have an equal measure. We have to find the value of each of the angles of a parallelogram. That means, can I say, let the adjacent angles be x. I had taken the adjacent angles as x, and in adjacent angle we know the property of a parallelogram with the adjacent angle, that the adjacent angle makes 180 degree. That means first angle is also x and both the angles are same, so another angle is also x, and the sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram makes 180 degree angle. That means 2x equals to 180 degree and x equals to 180 degree upon 2. So x equals to 90 degree. We found that the measure of each of the adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 90 degree. I hope this simple question is very simple for you to understand. Let's move to the second one. Second one, oh my god, this is how I taught you in my last video, but here are some differences there. That's why I've taken this question. Like here I have to find all the unknown angles, that is x, y and z. Let's recall few of the properties of a previous grades which you have studied, like alternate interior angles. If I talk about, then what is so? That where the z is formed, and inside that z the angles are formed on the either side of a line, they are known as an alternate interior angle. So if I talk about y, can you see here this and here this z is formed and the angles formed on the either side of a z, that is known as an alternate interior angle. So can I say that y equals to 40 degree, because here 40 degree is there and here on the another side of that line y is there. So y equals to 40 degree. The reason is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Now if I move over here x and z, how can I find x and z? See, I told you one thing, very simple. I know your y, I don't know z. If I want to find z, then can I use the triangle property? Because here you can see that HOP is a triangle where y I know, I need to find z. If I find this interior angle, let us suppose or take it as A. If I find A, then can I use the triangle properties to find the z? And how to find A? Linear parallel, as I had already explained you in my last video, that is A plus 70 degree equals to 180 degree. The reason is linear pair, and if we know what is linear pair, we can definitely solve it. That is A equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree, so A equals to 110 degree. Now I got this angle, that is 110 degree, and this angle I know 40 degree as alternate interior angle. If I know this y and a, I will definitely and easily find z, y, and how? Using triangle property. Let's use that. So a plus y plus z equals to 180 degree using triangle property. A is 110, y we had already found that is 40 degree plus z we have to find, which is equals to 180 degree. So 150 degree plus z equals to 180 degree. So z equals to 30 degree. It was so simple to find z also. This is my 30 degree. Now if I know a, can I find x also? Because a is equals to x. The properties of parallelogram that the opposite angles are same. So using that I can easily say that a is equals to x, which is equals to 110. Reason opposite angles are same. So I hope that this both the question damn easy for you to understand if I'm using you in a such a easy and a simple manner. So I hope you had enjoyed this video, and if you wish you can take a screenshot for your further understanding also. So thank you and have a nice day. And yes, before leaving it, I would request you can comment me which topics you want in my upcoming videos, so that I can definitely cover that videos and make you more educated. Thank you and have a nice day.